Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Analytics for Firebase events in your app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Analytics for Firebase events in your app, start by ensuring you have your Firebase project set up. Open the Firebase console and select your project. Navigate to the Analytics section on the left sidebar. Click on Events to view the events that have been logged by your app. Next, open your app on your device or emulator. Ensure that you have implemented the Firebase SDK correctly in your app. Trigger an event that you want to verify. This could be a button click, a page view, or any custom event you have defined. Wait a few moments for the event to be sent to Firebase. Return to the Firebase console and refresh the events page. Look for your triggered event in the list of events. If your event appears, it means it has been successfully logged. You can click on the event to see more details, including parameters and user engagement. To double-check, you can also use Debug View in the Firebase console. Navigate to Debug View under the Analytics section. Make sure your app is in debug mode to see real-time events. In Debug View, you will see a live feed of events being sent from your app. This allows you to confirm that the specific event is being recorded properly. If you don't see your event, go back to your app and ensure the event is triggered correctly. Double-check your code to confirm the implementation follows Firebase guidelines. If everything is in order and the event still doesn't show, consider reviewing your app settings or Firebase integration. Once confirmed, you're all set to utilize the data for analysis and optimization. This process ensures that your tracking setup is functioning as intended for effective application insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.